I've got a project, believe it or not.
You're a messy bastard.
I've got a project.
Look at the fucking mess out here.
Yes, it's a lot of mess. I can do that quite quickly. I want to ship everything to do with the shredder.
Coming in.
You want to help?
I'll go there with him. He's a fucking never.
That's what I fucking thought. You only help your fucking self. You fucking bollinger. That's fair enough. Otherwise I'll have people talking about me. The story is, a clean shed is a shed not worked in. My shed is worked in every damn day. What are you making, Rabbit? What I'm making is fuck all unless I can find a tape measure. Now I used to have 992 tape measures. Now I remember that number because it was back in my bullshitting days.
1 hour later.
Set of verniers and a piece of shite. China land. You buy that China land? Yeah, I buy that China land. China land give you a good deal. But what we want is we want 2 foot 4 inches. No rabbit. Most of this now is cutting and welding and cutting and welding and cutting. So what we got to do, there's going to be 3 this way, but there's going to be 2 coming up, 2 boxing in. So we got a box here. I've left enough room there, you can slide one in there if you want to shut the box off for doing other things. I left this one here purely for when you drag stuff out, you can put it on there to get a better grip. So we need these, one on that end and one on that end. That's going to go that way. I'll take them out of there in a minute. I'm going to weld that on there and that on there. Weld? Are you here, welder up? A tickety-tacker. Seems like I got a tickety-tacker. Alright, Jack. I can't weld rust. Russians are fucking great today. Should be. Where's the welder? Right, how do you use one of them things? I think you clamp this on, and then you get the other end, and you go bzz, bzz, bzz. That's on. Right, let's have a go at this fucking spring. Welding keeper. Some people make it look hard, I know. Can I hold the welder like that? I only tacked it, don't fucking start shooting and screaming. Oh, you didn't have a mask on. You could have killed yourself. Keep the boys happy and put a fucking mask on. From the health and safety crazy people. For all you know, the mask don't fucking work. Huh? Never thought of that. I could be pulling the wool over your eyes. Fucking easy. Why do they make it look so hard? These welders today, I don't know. Fucking air vents and fucking respirators and fucking get the job done. I can guarantee you, you'll probably die of something you're least expecting. You really need another brick. Basically, that's pretty good. So it's going to look something like that. with the inlet pipe coming in through the side, so this will be a mass of flames. Whenever you shove in your air, it's going to get up pretty quickly. We want it that big, so 12, whatever that says. Right, it's no good you standing there, is it? You're just in the way. I've cut top and bottom off so it fits in there. I can get a tack. Fucking piece of shit. Everything I own is a piece of fucking shit. Right, that goes on there. You won't get me, I'm part of the union. It's a waste of fucking time. Right, all I need is somewhere I can get a welding rod in there. And I'll tack that on there. We'll be making wheels for it. Gives you somewhere to put your fish and chips or whatever you're fucking doing, doesn't it? It might take a bit longer, I agree, but I'll get it in the end because this peasant don't give up. That's pretty fucking solid. We're going to cut a round hole in the side. Are you? Oh, no, you're not fucking doing this. That'll do, fuck's sake. I've got to put something down in there. So this will then, I've got nothing here at the moment. A little bit of, right, that's not big enough, but then that will go in. Somehow I'm a bit tired at the moment. Probably the wrong fucking way. It'll go in, but it'll cover that as well. Maybe you want it covered, maybe you fucking don't want it covered. We'll wait to see. It's a bit new at the moment. Put it in the way. There. So it'll come up a bit higher than that to there. Put a fucking set of wheels on it. So we did an extra one there, so when you're warming something up, probably put a block in there so she's slightly higher. I don't know yet, until we get a hole in there and we send a bit of love and attention down that hole. You imagine that now with my jet engine going in there. That thing's gonna fucking smoke. Right, so we got to drill a series of holes. We don't have the diameter of the pipe till Monday. There it is. A forged tunnel. I just done a tray on the top just to. It might come in handy, it might not fucking come in handy. Who cares, innit, really? But it's there now, so. You know, put your cup of tea on there. Do anything you want. I'm off. Next time you see it, it's going to be fucking glowing. Listen. Listen to this. Oh fuck, I run a dog over.